Hi everybody, this is James with the Nutshell support team, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple contact us form using Nutshell Forms. So let's head to the marketing section of your account, click on Nutshell Forms, and create new form here at the top right. For this video, we're going to use the contact us template, but you can always start from scratch if you'd like. So your forms are going to be built out of two types of blocks. There are input blocks and content blocks. Let's click Edit Form to get started. Input blocks are the things that require somebody to enter information in a field, email address, name, company name, whereas the content blocks are more cosmetic. These are the images and the headers, things like that used to make your form nice. You can see the email address field is already here. So let's click into that field. Over here on the right is the field mapping, and that's going to determine where your information goes in Nutshell. So this is already set to person email address. Let's leave that how it is, and we'll make that a required field. So let's click out of email address, click to add a block, and now we're going to add a block for name. We can see here it's already mapped to person name. Let's make that required as well. And then add another block for company name. And we'll confirm that's already mapped to company name. Looking good. We'll make that required too. And let's drag email address to the bottom. You can just drag and drop these blocks however you like. And we'll give it a name. Up here in this header, let's call it contact form demo. And because I like symmetry, let's center that text. Now let's click into a field and touch on some of the design options. Here on the right, you'll see color, input color, and font size. This is where you can customize your form. So let's make the text a little bigger here. Font size is 20. I think the colors can remain the same. All right, so let's save our changes. Now let's talk about after submission actions. These are the things that you want to occur automatically in Nutshell when a form is submitted. You can configure a success message, thank you for your submission, we can't wait to talk to you, or redirect your customer to a different page on your site. You can create a person in Nutshell, add a tag to that person, add them to a marketing audience, or both. Same thing with company. You have the option to add a tag to the new company that gets created. This option is important. Do you want Nutshell to update existing company records based on name, or do you want to create a new company regardless? That one's really up to you. It depends on your organization's needs. Let's talk about notifications. If you head over here to your settings and then notifications, down at the bottom, you can set up notifications via push, email, or in-app to be notified every time a form is submitted. It's a really great way to stay on top of what your customers are doing. Let's head back to the form now and talk about how you can share this form with your customers. Let's click Embed Form. Here's the code block that you can embed on your website to display it there. Nutshell support can't do this part for you, but we can guide you through it. If you need a hand, just get in touch with us. And then here at the bottom is the shareable URL. It's the more common method. You can just copy that URL, paste it in an email, text message, social media timeline, however you want to get that into the hands of your customers. And the last thing I want to touch on is related to our new landing pages feature. Any landing pages you create in Nutshell, with just a single click, you can link these Nutshell forms to your new landing pages. Again, get in touch with Nutshell support if you need a hand with that. That about wraps up the video for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy nutshelling.